Catherine Hoggle is being held at a psychiatric facility as she awaits trial on charges she killed her kids, 3-year-old Sarah and 2-year-old Jacob, nearly 12 years ago. Now her attorneys have filed documents in court asserting that she's not criminally responsible for the alleged crimes. Because of a mental disorder, she lacked the ability to appreciate the criminality of the alleged conduct or conform to the law. It's Maryland's form of an insanity defense. Robert Bonsup is a criminal defense attorney not connected to the Hoggle case.
The burden is on the defendant ultimately to prove that they're not criminally responsible. What essentially you're trying to determine is, does the person, when they engaged in the act, know what they're doing?
Bonsup says the intent to pursue this type of defense could result in additional mental health evaluations. While it's unclear exactly how it'll play out in court, Bonsup says Hoggle could face trial on the murder charges, then, if she's found guilty, ask the judge or jury to determine she was not responsible for the crime at the time of the alleged offenses due to her mental health.
The plea of not criminally responsible does not carry with it any admission or acknowledgement that you committed the acts that you are charged with committing.
Hoggle's relatives have said she has schizophrenia and has been on many medications to deal with her mental health condition. She was charged with murder after Sarah and Jacob disappeared. While she was the last person known to have seen the children, she's never said where she took them or what may have happened to them. Previous murder charges were dropped under Maryland law because she was repeatedly found not competent to stand trial. Last summer, she was released from a psychiatric facility to a group home setting. That's when she was indicted once again on the murder charges and has since been found competent to stand trial.
So competency goes to your current mental state with respect to your ability to assist in your own defense. Criminal responsibility goes to your mental state at the time the act is alleged to have been committed.
Hoggle's murder trial is set to get underway here in October. The state's attorney's office declined to comment on the latest development in this case. In Rockville, Darcy Spencer, News 4.
News 4 reached out to Hoggle's attorney. We have yet to hear back.